Hey everyone, I'll show you guys how to import SVGs and PNGs into Unity. So let's go to Inkscape first. Now this is the file I want to import into Unity. I'll just select the whole thing. Click File, click Export PNG. This window will pop up. Click Selection and click Export. Okay, now we'll save it as an SVG file. For that we just have to click Save As, choose the file location and click Save. Now all we need to do is click Unity, open the file. Now just drag and drop the PNG into Unity. To put it into the scene, all you need to do is drag and drop it here. Okay, now you can resize it, and there's a bunch of settings here you can mess with. There's a bunch of image settings here as well. Now for the SVG file, you'll see that if you drag and drop it here and try to drag and drop it here, it won't work, and that's because we need to actually import a package from the package manager. So for that we'll go to Window, we'll go to Package Manager, and the package we're looking for is actually not in the Unity registry, and so we need to import it from Git. So you have to click Add Package from Git URL, and the URL is com.unity.vectorgraphics, and I'll even put this in the description of the video. Now paste it and click Add. This might take a while. Okay, now we've installed the package and you can see the SVG is transformed into this. So now we just need to drag and drop it here. We can resize it. There's a bunch of settings here you can mess with. A bunch of settings here as well. Now one good thing about the SVG file is that it doesn't pixelate like the PNG. If you keep on expanding the PNG, it might pixelate after a certain point and become less clear, but that's not the case with the SVG file. Thanks for watching.